How's it going, everybody? My name is Dennis Cortez. I'm a designer who codes, teaches, and makes music. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to upload your music to streaming services if you don't have a label. So I've been making music for over 15 years now. Back in high school, when I was starting to make music, there wasn't any way for me to upload my music to streaming services that would help me get to a broader audience. So about 4 years ago is when I seriously started getting back into music and uploading a lot of music and putting out albums. I've put out 11 albums so far. And one question I get asked a lot is, if I'm just an indie artist who's doing stuff by myself, I'm starting out, how do I go ahead and put my music on streaming services? I also just released an album a couple weeks ago. So if you want to check out my music, I make ambient, lo-fi, electronic, jazzy type of music. So if that's your thing, feel free to check it out. I have all my music at cortez.us/music, or there's a link in the description where you can get direct links to see all of my music. There's a couple services you can use out there in order to be able to do this, but personally for me, I like to use Distrokid. So Distrokid, I've been using it ever since I started uploading music about 4 years ago. I've put out over 11 albums on this. I've put out probably like 30 singles or so, and I haven't had any issues. They've actually added a lot of features since I first started using it, including a way to actually add videos to your music, which is pretty cool. If you don't have resources to do any of that, they kind of do it automatically for you, which is nice. So the uploading process is really easy. It supports basically every streaming service that you'd want to use. So obviously there are the more known ones like Spotify, Apple Music, and they even do like social media like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, so you can get your music on those platforms. And you can specify if you're uploading an album or just a single. You can customize your artist name, of course. You can customize your record label. And you can even schedule your music for the future. So if you wanted to schedule some music for like a month or so out so you can get some time to put out promotions and work on that stuff, you can do that, of course. You can even set a link for people to pre-save it if you want. What's also cool about Distrokid is they have extras. So they have this like YouTube content ID, which is basically you can monetize any videos that use your music in the background. They have a store maximizer. They have Shazam and iPhone Siri so that people can recognize the music using their phone. And you can even get like a social phone number if that's your thing, if you want to like text your fans. Distrokid also has a referral program, so if you wanted to get a percentage off and get a discount, I personally have a referral code that you're of course welcome to use. I'll leave it down in the description. It just gives you a discount off of your payment, which I believe is $20 a year, at least for the package that I use, which is super cheap. And then of course, once you join, you can have your own referral code and send that to whoever. So referral codes are available to everybody. I'm not getting paid or sponsored or anything like that, although that would be cool, Distrokid, if you're watching. But yeah, make sure to go use the link below so you can get a discount. And just a reminder that I have a Patreon, so if you want to get these videos early and get some extra behind the scenes and even some unreleased music from me, feel free to check it out. It's patreon.com/shyboytm, and as usual, I have links in the description as well. So I hope this was helpful. I'd love to hear any of your music that you end up uploading, whether you use Distrokid or not, but I love discovering new music, so if you're into that and you make music, feel free to link it below, and I'd love to check it out. Also, if you want to stay up to date on music that I release and videos that are upcoming, feel free to follow me on socials on Twitter and Instagram. They're both at shyboytm. Hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.